Unleash your best self. 5-minute anger management mastery. Hey, amazing souls. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the depths of self-discovery and personal growth. If you're ready to conquer anger and radiate positivity, you're in the right place. I'm Syed Mudasim, and today we're unveiling the secrets to anger management mastery in just 5 minutes. Let's jump right in. Segment 1. Understanding anger. Anger is a powerful emotion we all experience. But did you know it's a natural response to certain situations? Understanding the root cause is the first step towards managing it effectively. Segment 2. The science behind anger. Ever wondered what happens in our brain when anger strikes? Stay tuned as we unravel the fascinating science behind anger, empowering you with the knowledge to regain control. Segment 3. 5 powerful techniques. Now let's dive into the meat of it. I'll share 2 practical techniques to turn anger into a catalyst for positive change. From brief relaxation to mindfulness, you'll discover tools you can use anywhere, anytime. Segment 4. Real-life success stories. Stories have the power to inspire. Tune in as we share real-life success stories of individuals who've conquered anger using the techniques we're exploring today. You're not alone on this journey. Segment 5. Your 5-minute action plan. It's time for your personal 5-minute action plan. We'll craft simple, actionable steps you can integrate into your daily routine. Stick around for the bonus challenge at the end. Your 5-minute stress relief action plan. Brief relaxation. Start with a quick relaxation exercise. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in for 4 counts, hold for 4 counts, and exhale for 4 counts. Repeat a few times to instantly calm your mind and body. Visual imagery. Envision a peaceful place. Whether it's a beach, forest, or your favorite cozy spot, visualize the details vividly. Immerse yourself in this mental escape for a refreshing break. And there you have it, our 5-minute anger management mastery session. Remember, every small step counts on this journey. If you found value in today's video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, stay positive, stay empowered, and keep unleashing your best self. This is Syed Mudasim signing off. Need further help in overcoming your anger problem? Click the below link to purchase this ebook.